सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू केमिस्ट्री। In previous video we have discussed about the just initial part of the derived system as a alkane, alkene, alkyne and just alcohol. These are the four systems. Now I would like to go with the fifth system that is called as just your aldehyde. So this is the fifth system is your aldehyde. If I go with the aldehyde, then as a parent compound, here will use of CH3CHO parent compound. It is called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde CH3CHO. If we'll go with the practice, then what is that? Listen me carefully. This is the first of the compound as a CH3CHO discuss कर चुके हैं. This is called as acetaldehyde. This is the CH3CH2CHO. Second compound is your CH3CH2CH2CHO. This is the third compound CH3CHCH3. This is the CH2CHO. This is the, you can say, fourth compound CH3 CHCH3 CHO. This is the fifth compound. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth compound is your, you can say, CH3 CH3 and CHO. This is the sixth compound C6H5 CH2CHO. This is the seventh compound. As a seventh compound we can take Cl CH2CHO. This is the eighth compound CH3 CCH3 CH3. This is the CH2CHO. This is your ninth compound Cl CCl Cl. This is the CHO. This is the 10th compound CH3 CHCH3. This is the CH2CH2CHO. This is your 11th compound. As a 11th compound we can take over here just your C6H5. This is the CH3. This is your CH2CH3 and this is the CHO. If I'll go with the further, then we can take 12th compound as a CH3 CCH3. This is the CH3 and this is the CH2 CH2CHO. CH2CHO. If I'll go with the 13th compound, 13th compound is your CH2 double bond CH. This is the CH2CHO. This is the 14th compound. This is your CH triple bond C CH2CHO. This is the 15th compound and that is your, you can take, very important, C6H5 C. This is the Br. This is your, you can say, Cl and CHO. These are the 15 practice regarding to the name of the system as an aldehyde. Here is the just acetaldehyde and this is the methyl. So the name of compound will be methyl acetaldehyde. Methyl acetaldehyde. This is your again acetaldehyde and this is ethyl. So the name of compound will be ethyl acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde. This is isopropyl. So the name of compound will be isopropyl acetaldehyde. Next is you can say dimethyl acetaldehyde, dimethyl acetaldehyde. This is your trimethyl acetaldehyde. This is the phenyl acetaldehyde, phenyl acetaldehyde. This is the chloroacetaldehyde, chloroacetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde. This is tert-butyl, so you will call it tert-butyl acetaldehyde. This is your trichloroacetaldehyde. This is your, you can say, acetaldehyde isobutyl. So this will be isobutyl acetaldehyde. This is your acetaldehyde. This is ethyl, methyl, phenyl. So it will be your ethyl, methyl, phenyl, acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde. This is the neopentyl. So this will be your neopentyl acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde and vinyl. So it is called as vinyl acetaldehyde. This is your acetaldehyde. This is the propyl. So this will be your propyl acetaldehyde. And the final is your, this is the phenyl, this is the bromo, this is the chloro. So this will be the bromo, chloro, phenyl, acetaldehyde. This was the just as a derived system for the aldehyde, fifth function group. See the matter properly. It is too important. Without doing the system, it's not possible to do further. Now the time to discuss about the sixth function group, that is your carboxylic acid. This is the sixth function group as a carboxylic acid. Here as a parent compound, we will use CH3COOH. It is called as acetic acid. Now the time to discuss about the practice. What are they? Listen me carefully. Because of here as a parent compound, we'll use CH3COOH, acetic acid. Because of in this kind of the compound there are two carbon. So for two carbon it will be use of acid, and ic acid will be the suffix regarding to your common system, and we'll take rest of the compound as a derivatives of acetic acid. So the name will be further according to them. So first of all, we'll go with the first compound as a practice. We can take, this is the first compound, CH3CH2COOH. This is the second compound, ClCH2COOH. Third compound, this is the ClCHCl. This is the COOH. This is the fourth compound, ClCCl, ClCOOH. This is the further fifth compound, C6H5CH2, COOH. If we'll go with the further, Then we can take 6 compound as a C6H5, CHCS3, COOH. This is the seventh compound. As a seventh compound, we can take NO2, CS2, COOH. This is the eighth compound. CN, CS2, COOH. This is the ninth compound. CS3, CHCS3. This is the CS2, COOH. This is the tenth compound. CS3, CS3. This is the CS3, and this is your COOH. This is the 11th compound. CS3, CCS3, CS3, CS2. This is the COOH. This is the 12th compound. CS3, CCS3, CS3, CS2, CS2, COOH. This is the 13th compound. As a 13th compound, we can take over here. What is that? That is your CS3, CHCS3. This is the CS2, CS2, COOH. And if we'll go with the further, then we can take 14 compound as a CS2 double bond CH, CS2 COOH. This is the 15 compound. As a 15 compound, we can take CS2 double bond CHCS2 CS2 COOH. These are the compounds. The name of compound will be, this is the एसिटिक एसिड. अगर आपने इसकी कंपेयर की तो यहां से एक एसिड मूव करके सी एस से अटैच किया, सो इट विल बी मिथाइल एसिटिक एसिड. मिथाइल एसिटिक एसिड. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड. क्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड. This is called as dichloro acetic acid. Dichloroacetic acid. This is called as trichloroacetic acid. This is called as phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid. This is called as methyl. Phenyl is less pair according to alphabetic sequence. So methyl phenyl acetic acid. If we'll go with the further, then this is called as nitro acetic acid. This is called as cyano. It's not isocyano NC carbon dioxide, so this will be cyano acetic acid. This is the acetic acid. Isopropyl acetic acid. Isopropyl acetic acid. This is called as trimethyl. This is called as trimethyl acetic acid. Trimethyl acetic acid. This is your tert butyl or 3-degree butyl acetic acid. This is your acetic acid, and this is the neopentyl. So this will be your neopentyl acetic acid. If we go with this, then this is the acetic acid. Isobutyl acetic acid, the name of compound. This is the vinyl acetic acid. Vinyl acetic acid. This is your allyl acetic acid. So this was about the 6 function group as an acetic acid. Now the time to discuss about the seventh function group. What is that? Listen me carefully. And after completion this system as a derived system, we will start IPSC. First of all, monofunctional, further polyfunctional, and further it will be nomenclature for aromatic hydrocarbon, and after that it will use of alicyclic hydrocarbon. So this was the just your seventh function group will be your acyl chloride. This is the seventh function group. You can say acyl chloride or you can say oil chloride. This is the acyl chloride or you can say oil chloride. Oil chloride. Regarding to this parent compound will be your CS3 COCl is called as acetyl chloride. If we'll go with the compounds, then we can take as a practice CS3 CS2 COCl. This is the second compound. CS3CH CS3COCl. This is the third compound. CS3 CS3. This is the CS3COCl. This is the fourth compound. We can take C6H5 CS2 COCl. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 compound, and fifth compound we can take C6H5 CHCS3. This is the COCl. This is your sixth compound. Sixth compound we can take your C6H5. This is the CS3 C2H5 COCl. This is the seventh compound. Is your CS3C CS3. This is the CS2 COCl. Next compound is your eighth. We can take CS3C CS3 CS2 COCl. This is the ninth compound. CS2 double bond CS2 COCl. This is the 10th compound. Is your CS2 double bond CS2 COCl. This was about the just name of compound. We'll go with the just example first. Then after removal of the hydrogen from here, it will be CS2 COCl. So this is the acetyl chloride and this is the methyl. So the name of compound will be methyl acetaldehyde. Methyl acetyl chloride. It will be methyl acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. This is your dimethyl acetyl chloride. Dimethyl acetyl chloride. This is your trimethyl acetyl chloride. Trimethyl acetyl chloride. This is the phenyl acetyl chloride. Phenyl acetyl chloride. This is the methyl alphabetically. Phenyl acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. If we go with the sixth compound, then this is the ethyl, this is the methyl, this is the phenyl. So ethyl, methyl, phenyl, acetyl chloride, acetyl chloride. This is your tert butyl, Third butyl acetyl chloride. Third butyl acetyl chloride, you can see this is the neopentyl acetyl chloride. Neopentyl acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. For this it will be vinyl acetyl chloride. Vinyl acetyl chloride. This will be your allyl acetyl chloride, the name of compound. So this was about the 7 function group according to derived system. So this was about the 7 function group. Now we'll go with the derived system as a 8 function group. What is that? That is your amide as a 8 function group. Amide. This is your 8 function group as a amide. This is the 8 function group as a amide. As a amide will take as parent compound, that is your CS3 CONS2, and this is called as acetamide. Acetamide. If we'll go with the nomenclature, then we can take CS3 CS2 CONS2. Second compound CS3CH 3CONS2. This is your third compound CS3CCS3. This is your CONS2. Fourth compound CS3C CS3. This is the CS3 CS2CONS2. This is your fifth compound C6H5 CS2 CONS2. As a sixth compound we can use, this is the sixth compound CS3C C6H5 C2H5 CONS2. This is the seventh compound CS3CH CS3C CS3C2H5 CONS2. This is the eighth compound. This we can use as follows, just CS3. This is the CS3 CS3. This is the CS2 CS2 CONS2. This is the ninth compound CS2 double bond CH CS2 CONS2, and this is the 10th compound CS2 double bond CH CS2 CS2 CONS2. These are the just 10 important compounds. Now I would like to go with the nomenclature. Then this is the acetamide, because of after removal of one hydrogen, here will be CS2 CONS2. So the name of compound will be methyl acetamide. This is your acetamide. Dimethyl acetamide. This is your trimethyl acetamide. This is your, you can say, tert butyl acetamide. This is your phenyl acetamide. This is your acetamide, ethyl, methyl and phenyl. So ethyl, methyl, phenyl, acetamide. This is your just acetamide, isopropyl, ethyl and methyl. So ethyl, methyl, it will use of P of isopropyl, acetamide, derivatives of the acetamide, and this will be your, this is the acetamide, so neopentyl acetamide. This is the vinyl acetamide. This is your allyl acetamide, allyl acetamide. This was about the just derived system. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic as a IPC system, as an International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, as a Geneva system also. If we'll go with the just entire nomenclature system, then we have completed as a trivial system, कॉमन सिस्टम के रिगार्डिंग पर्टिकुलर टेबल ए, टेबल बी और जस्ट टेबल सी की बात की, डिराइव सिस्टम की बात कर चुके हैं रिगार्डिंग टू 8 फंक्शन ग्रुप एज अ जस्ट योर यू कैन से कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, ऑयल क्लोराइड, एमाइड, just you can say your aldehyde, so on many of the compound. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, shukriya and dhanyawad. It's kind request to you all to share the channel maximum because of अभी भी still बहुत से स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं जिनका जुड़ना बाकी है ताकि कारवा बन सके, क्योंकि ये जो शुरू हो चुका है अब नहीं रुकेगा, अब नहीं थकेगा, हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगा. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.